something like this.
No.
Ano?
Ayaw ko i-post ni sa TikTok. Okay.
Hi!
Nag-vlog si Jihan Kim.
Hi, vlog! We are going here. Oh my god, another classmate, guys.
Hi guys, I got my Pocari sweat na.
Shut up.
Guys!
Okay.
Hi, Gachi!
Asa kisam di vlog?
Guys, ikay kanta ha. Unsay kanta. Unsay kanta ni Juan Taylor Swift. Unsay kanta ni Taylor Swift?
I was enchanted to meet you. Please. Hi guys, where are you today? Someone is playing it.
Kanta ni Taylor Swift.
Love story.
Ang palit doon. Atong vlog na 7-Eleven tanan. Ado in my life doon ni.
Wow! So many people, guys. What is happening? This is a pandemic right now.
Guys. Unsay tawag ba sa master sa soy? Asa to? Tara. Soy master.
Please laugh, guys.
Please love guys. Apa do?
Nigawas mi guys. Kaya grabe ka init. Dagan kig tao.
4:50 na.
I'm so like,
I wanna go to Union Bank.
here. Wait for them. I'm so claustrophobic. So like, I want out of peace. Hi guys. So,
Dito ang palitiga.
what do you want me to talk?
So may pupaki, oy, kugiwa, ang tawong.
Boy, cute.
Hi guys, so we are here walking today. Pasulad meron sa USJR. Kay, like nami class for like 5 na. And like, di kami nag-study. Oh, saan akong camera? Di kami nag-study guys.
Di kami naggasto sa
Uy, nag-study mi guys. Nag-study mi.
Okay, study doon.
Wala mo ko ni gasto. Ay, amo to teacher guys.
There's a lot of people. Oh.
Lot of people but nobody feels like you. Look at here. This is a normal day guys. Ano na diri guys? Bongso, di may tap, imong ID. Diri. Wow!
Nag-vlog si Achi.
Welcome to USJR. Where the heart is for all.
Word of excellence.
So we are going up. Oh! We are going up right now because we have like a class for NK and you.
Bantay din mo i-post ha.
Oh,